How do you speed up or slow down in Premiere Pro? Alright, so we've got this clip. Let's slow it down. Right click on the clip, go to speed duration. You can either change the duration or the percentage of speed. Let's go 50%. I'm just at 120 frames per second, so we could go even slower. And if you want to speed it up, you just do the opposite. Drop a comment if you have any questions about Premiere. Did you change your t-shirt? Where'd you go?